Hey Rob,
Hey Emma,
where are we?
we are in Sydney.
Challenging question, what's the date?
The
It's not that hard.
8th of November.
Yeah, because it's the day after your birthday.
Yeah.
And what's been going on?
Blimey, since our last update, we took a night train from Chiang Mai down to Bangkok, and then
Yeah.
we had a very long day in Bangkok. It was quite nice. We went to see a temple. We got a tuk-tuk. Some other time passed, and then we got on a night flight from Bangkok to Sydney.
Yeah.
And then we had a nice birthday evening here, watched Avatar.
It's your birthday. It's your
checked into
birthday.
the hotel, slept for goodness knows how long.
Not long
yeah,
enough. And what's going to happen now?
We're going to go for a walk through the park, and we're going to go to the Botanical Gardens, and we're going to go see the Sydney Opera House.
Yay! Woo woo! Let's go do it.